Okay, so we are walking. We're currently on Virginia Avenue in downtown Indianapolis. We're just outside of it. And we are going to an interesting little park called the Idol. It's both a park and an art installation. If we kept walking down Virginia Avenue from downtown Indianapolis, we'd head into the Fountain Square neighborhood down there. Quaint little place. And so we're heading to the Idol Park, which starts with this little quote here. And there's these little bench-like structures. Some of them are Indianapolis neighborhoods, suburb areas, and some of them aren't. I'm not completely sure what the ones that aren't are here for. But we got this Idol sign. The Idol, a point of view. That's the sort of art installation we're going to get to. This is a place to be idle, to gather with friends, or to be alone, to stare at the sky or to study the ground, to consider your thoughts or to clear your head. This is a place for humans to do what humans do, within reason, of course. And it's an urban gathering space. We've got an enter at your own risk sign, which is terrifying, given it's just off of not only a busy road, but two highways, and is enshrouded in trees. So the Idol is this art installation right here. It's some seats from former stadiums and arenas around Indy. All these orange ones, I believe, are from the old basketball stadium. I'm not really sure what those white ones up front are, but it's these seats and this canopy on top to sort of shade this area. We're here in the middle of the day, so it doesn't shade much of it very well. But the whole point of this art installation is to, instead of sitting in traffic and watching traffic, sit outside of traffic and watch it go by. These roads over here, this is the I-65, I-70, where they come together. And then over here on this right side is where they split. This is normally a really trafficked area in Indianapolis, but right now there's a lot of construction going on, so there's nowhere near as much traffic as there would normally be. This is a really interesting place to just sit and think. And hopefully you can hear me over this, but even with the light traffic now, it's pretty loud. There's a train in the distance somewhere, plus all of these cars. Plus the wind. It's certainly an interesting idea and not one that I know many other instances of. So from here you can see, again, up that hill is the Fountain Square neighborhood. I believe Fletcher Place is off that direction. You can't really see it through all of the trees. Just the different Indianapolis neighborhoods.